Hello everyone, welcome to my channel iSmile Academy. In this particular playlist, we'll study about basics of networking using Cisco Packet Tracer. So, as this is the first video, we'll get acquainted with the interface of the Cisco Packet Tracer software. So, the very first thing here we have this part. When we open the Cisco Packet Tracer software, we get this interface. So, this portion is the workspace where we keep the components, and here down when we click, these are the various devices. So this is one of the device type, okay? And when we click here, we can see this gets activated. So here this is the networking device type, and these are the subtypes of here. So here we have, this is the router, and we by default the first is selected. So here we can see various routers which are available. So we can just drag this and we can see so many routers are available. And in this network devices option, so here we have a router, and when we click here, we get the switches. As you can see, these are the switches which are available, and then these are the hubs. When we click here, these are the hubs. Then here we have wireless devices. Okay? These are the various wireless devices which are available. Then this the security, and this is the cloud. Then when we click on the second devices option, this is called end devices. So in the first sub option, when we click this, by default is clicked. So here we have PCs, laptops. These are the various end devices subtypes, okay? And when we click here, these are the home appliances which can be used for IoT practicals. You can see fan, the door, etc. Then when we click here, this is for smart city, and here industrial applications, and here we have the power grid. And when we click here, the main component, the device types. So here we have various components, the boards, MCU board, and the actuators and the sensors. Then very important, this one also, the connecting wires. So when we click here on the device type, so here we have the various connections which are various wires which are available. So when we click here, we get the name here, okay, the fiber optic, then the copper crossover. So we'll see which devices to connect with which wire, and here then we can go on the next component. So this is miscellaneous. Here we have whatever by default what we are using, again and again it comes here, and then this is for multi-user connection. Now let's come here. This operates the Cisco Packet Tracer. It has we can use it in either real time, see the operation in real time, and also in simulation mode. So this is simulation mode, and this is the real time. So these are the various components which are available now. So this was just a brief introduction about the components which are available in Cisco Packet Tracer. We will perform the first networking practical in the coming video. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.